The government introduced the Chartered Accountants, Cost and Works Accountants and the Company Secretaries Amendment Bill 2021, which sought to do four things. First, bring firms as against only individuals earlier under the purview of the Institute's disciplinary mechanism. Second, time-bound completion of investigation. Third, change the tenure of the council. And fourth, revise the constitution of the disciplinary committee to include a majority of non-CAs. The ICAI leadership is up in the arms against the changing the composition of disciplinary panels, questioning non-CA's understanding of audit intricacies, and ICAI is also likely to make a case before the panel. Senior chartered accountants feel the real reason for opposition is less about understanding and more about maintaining control over the process. Successive presidents have been able to pick the committee of their choice, say senior chartered accountants, and this in turn has been used to hide irregularities and make cases against them vanish. Even members of the Central Council, the top decision-making body of the institute, feel helpless, reported a top newspaper. Do you know what led to this decision of government to pass a new legislation? The reason is there are many allegations leveled against presidents and high functionaries at ICAI. We will tell you a few cases in this video. The first case was that getting anyone to canvass or campaign for candidature was against Institute's election code, and this attracted disciplinary proceedings. One such case happened 2 years back. The crux of the above rule is that in ICAI general elections, the contesting candidate for promoting his own election prospects cannot obtain or procure or even attempt to obtain and procure any assistance of a person serving under the government. If a candidate obtains such government person's assistance to further his prospects, then the candidate attracts disciplinary provisions. The purpose of this video is to make chartered accountants more aware about functioning of their parent body and help them take better decisions at the time of elections. The incidences described in this video can be confirmed from news articles published in newspapers over the years. Friends, before going ahead, we would request you to subscribe to this channel if you care about latest professional and tax news and updates, and also for your career growth. Some instances of earlier presidents messing up with the disciplinary mechanism were highlighted in a letter addressed to the MCA in March 2019. A disciplinary case was filed against the then president relating to unauthorized expenditure on the Foundation Day of 2017 attended by Prime Minister and payments effected by the ICAI secretary in organizing CA Day function at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium at New Delhi on 1st July 2017. An amount of 7 crore was incurred for hiring of premises, catering, infrastructure, stage, publicity, etc. without any sanction of the council or even without the sanction of the finance committee the complaint had alleged. Secondly, in 2012, the then president and vice president had inked a land deal worth Rs 97 crore, the biggest by institute at that time, without intimating the council either prior or post deal. Though the deal got struck down, the legal expenses of over Rs 2.5 crore spent to defend them were never reimbursed. There were also instances of questionable functioning of the disciplinary committee. In 2013, disciplinary cases were not heard or decided across the bench. The hearings were not even minuted. The letters written to MCA said, as members, we should be aware of such incidences. If there are incidents which we are missing here, kindly comment and tell us. Friends, we recommend you to watch this playlist next, which talks about all other news relating to CA profession. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and keep growing.